Welcome friends. In this video, I'm going to explain about MySQL delete statement. Okay, SQL statement is very important and MySQL delete statement is very important also, like update, insert statements likewise. So here you have to delete a specific record, and if you want to delete all the records, and also it happens here. So what is delete? If you want and if you are not needed a specific record inside a table, then you can delete this by using the specific SQL statement, delete record. So how it is going to be work? See, delete from customer where address equal to this. So in this way, you can delete a specific record. Okay. And if you are not using where clause, delete from customers, then it will remove all the records which has but that particular table, and it will swipe up. Okay, that's very important point. You have to define the where clause, which specific record you are going to delete. Okay, then after that it's an important point to commit it. Okay, it is an important point to commit it. Okay, so what one records are up deleted. So here also written that you have to commit, mandatory you have to define the commit statement, and the where clause you have to define, because if you are not defined and you omit it, all the records are going to be deleted. Then prevent SQL injection. Likewise, on my previous video, when you are going to update any SQL statement, there is given as a how to prevent from SQL injections. Okay, so using by strings, format strings you have to use, and that format strings are most of the cases are generally called as prepare statements. Okay, so here also you have to use SQL injection on the delete SQL statement, but where address equal to %s, and here it have given the address, and when it is execute, then commit it. Okay, and that records are deleted. So likewise, I am going to explain about how it works real time. Okay, let's see. So first of all, create a one file, that is a Python MySQL delete. MySQL delete is in Python. Python script. Okay, let's see. So I am copy all the update statements here and added here. Sorry. So here, let's see here. So first of all, you have to import that MySQL connector. Then you are imported that connect MyDB, successfully connected. Then go for the cursor, and here update. I deleted this with delete statement. Here to prevent SQL injection, first of all, I am giving you as a very in the form of this particular sentence which will prevent from the SQL injection. So delete from student where roll equal to %s. So here you have to define the row. You have to define the row. That is a single quote. And you have to define your role, let's say 3. Fine. Let's say 3. Okay. So not given as a string, only 3 is passing. 3 means third record is going to be deleted. Okay, only third record. And how many records are affected? Here you have to write records deleted. Okay, so here it is written say error, that is when I am passing the third, that's a 3. So first of all, I run it another time. Okay, it must be of type list, tuple or dictionary. So it's a tuple. Okay, you have to comma, you have to not give in as a single, value, when you're passing the single value, at the end you have to define a comma. Okay, very important. Keep remember it. Okay, one records are deleted. Okay, that's why it is not recognizing what type of list I am going to pass. It's a tuple, list, or dictionary. Okay, so here after a single element inside the list, you have to, at the end you have to define a comma. Okay, I added the one comma, it recognize it and going to delete it. And when it is going to delete it, come here and check it's actually deleted or not. And what record? Generally third record. So this record, I select it, but when I refresh it, it already removed it. Okay, it removed or not? Yes, it's removed. So this is the process of generally preventing the SQL injection. Otherwise, you have to directly write here select star from select delete from student where roll equal to this. Okay, this is the way. If you are not using the where clause, okay, if you are not using the where clause, it's all the records are going to be deleted. Okay, so if you have to check it, so let's see. And I taken as a hash and here to remove it. Okay, let's see. Okay, 5 records are deleted. So you are not mentioning about which records are going to be deleted. Then all the records are to be deleted. Table exists. Delete means here table exists, but all the records are vanished. Yes, all the records are vanished. Understood how it is work? So there is a two way. Okay, I also here write comment. Okay, just a minute. I write the formal way. This is the formal way deleted, and then you have to delete it. If you have removed the from loop, here I have to write here remove where clause, then all the records are deleted. Okay, all the records are deleted. That's all. It's a simple process how to delete the records and specific record, all the records. Fine. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. And don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe button. Thank you.